Hi guys, it's Madgie. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this gold, very dewy glam makeup. I had so much fun doing this video. I used a lot of gold on the eye, the cheek of course, and the chest area. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell right next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with some concealer. I always do this step so I can have a blank canvas for my eyeshadows. Okay, so right now my eyes are looking nice and clean. I'm taking some loose setting powder and I'm going to set that crease. Setting it just makes everything look smooth. I'm going to go into my Pure Cosmetics Soiree Diaries palette. These are all the colors. I'm going into Stunner, which is that burnt orange shade right here. I'm going to pop that into the crease. I'm just going in from the outer crease, circular motions, and then I'm going in. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using the shade Epic, which is this shade right here. I'm going in with an angle brush, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I'm going to start from the inner corners and just outline it to the outer corner. So this is how it looks like for now. Since I have this done now, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going back to that darker shade. I'm going to blend it upwards. I'm going in with my Inglot Sparkling Dust Illuminator. It's for face, eyes, and body. It looks like this. I'm going to get a little bit of dust and put it on the cap. Dab my MAC 242 in there. I'm going to spray it and just add that to the lid. From the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is Cypress Amber. I'm going over the dark shade just to darken it a little bit. I'm going back with the first shade I used, which was Stunner in the Pure Cosmetics palette. And I'm just gonna go over it. Right now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm going to be using my Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape to highlight. And now I'm just gonna set it with some loose setting powder. and then blend the rest of my face with the same powder. I'm going back to my Modern Renaissance palette and take the same shade Cypress Amber and add that to my lower lash line. I'm actually going to extend that and connect it to the top. I'm going back and take the first shade and blend everything out from my bottom lashes to my wing. I'm going back to the same Inglot Sparkling Dust. I'm going to use that as my highlight. Okay, I almost forgot to contour. I'm going in to my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take the darkest shade right here and I'm going to contour my cheeks. I'm going back and put a little bit of blush in between. So I just finished putting on my lashes. For lips, I'm going to start off with my MAC Chestnut lip liner. I'm going over it with MAC Whirl. It's my favorite lip combination. I'm going over my lipstick with my Dose of Colors Over the Top lip gloss. It's the collab with Katie and Desi. I'm going to add that lip gloss on top. I was thinking about using the Fenty Beauty and Rihanna, the Body Lava and the color Brown Sugar. It looks like that. It's a body luminizer. I'm going to add that all over my chest. This smells so good, by the way, if you don't have it. I'm going back with the body dust and just highlight my collarbone. Maybe the center a little bit.